Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Very quickly, I'm trading futures, and futures are great. There's no pattern day trading rule. You can trade them with pretty much any size account, especially if you go the prop firm route. And that is what I do. I use a prop firm. So if you're curious which one I'm using, how prop firms work, just check out the link that you see there on the screen. And prop firms are great because they allow you to put very little of your money at risk. And then if you can prove yourself, you can have a whole lot of upside potential. So I would highly recommend checking out prop firms and just kind of learning more about how they work. Specifically, if you want to use the one I'm using, like I said, just use the link on the screen there. And if you have no idea what futures even are, that is okay. In the description box, I will put a link to a totally free 4-part series on futures that will teach you the basics and teach you kind of give you a good foundation to which you can build from. So, all right, well, I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential trade. All right, maybe looking for a purchase down here. I am in and out there for a quick $80 scalp. Very good. If you blinked, you might have missed it. If you're not sure how the screen works, after you can scroll back and you'll see down here these numbers were fluctuating around, mainly that one, but as soon as I eventually sold, that's where that number officially showed up right there. Oh, let's see. I missed it. That green line there showed where I was trying to buy. Come down there, see if I can get it at that point. Bounces back up. All right, I'll pause. Well, total turnaround down here, now all the way back up here. It's quite the move on this one. Yeah, that was pretty wild. All right, I'll pause. I'm going to try to think about getting short here for you beginners and newer traders. Going short means I would then want to see prices go down. Yeah, believe it or not, you can make money when the prices go down. That's called as going short or shorting. So that's what I'm thinking about doing right now. So on the flip side of that, if the price goes up, that is bad. Okay, in. And out for a scalp there. Now that number is 140, so I made $60 on that. It's not too bad. It's 9:38. Been at it for 8 minutes, up 140. I don't say that to brag. I do say it, though, to build perspective, because it's easy to look around social media and see numbers and then think your numbers are just garbage. But like, would you ever go up to somebody making 25, 30, 50 bucks an hour and be like, I made 140 bucks in 8 minutes. I'm not happy about it. No, you would never do that. Why? Because you understand that would make you sound like a detached, deranged, greedy savage. Yeah, like I said, not bragging, just trying to keep things in perspective here. Oh, missed it. That red line there was where my order was. I wanted it to be. Maybe I can try again here. Let's see if it makes another push up. Next one I'm going to do, if it goes up there and pushes the highs again. Come on. Oh, missed that. Oh, in. Good. Here. So now up 220. This wants to come up here and push again. I hope you be prepared to start the sequence over again. All right, I will pause. One quick clarification. You're thinking, wait, what happened to your numbers down here? I am now on a different account. So the nice thing about prop firms is you can have various accounts, you can have multiple accounts. So that is why you see 0 down there, because I have a few accounts with Take Profit Trader. So that is very good observation on your part to have noticed that, but that is why that is now 0, because I am on a different account right now. So just trying to spread the love a little bit here. So on the other one up, I don't remember, what did I say, 220? I can't even remember now what that was. I think it was 220. Let's see if I can get some trades on this one. All right, I'll pause. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get short there. All right. So a whole lot of hoopla for $40 on that one. Not the best first entry point, but I gave myself plenty of flexibility, so I was still able to work out a green trade on it. But yeah, I was definitely wanting to thinking I'd be able to get more on it. But all right, well, like I said, they can't all go totally smooth. I'll be grateful for just still having green on it. All right, looking yeah, so on this count, looking to go long here potentially on this pullback. Got that. All right, so all out of that one. What just happened? Oh, I was not on the micros. I'm on 1/6. I just did that not that long ago too. I think I got that one on a video also, if I remember right. So I thought I was on the MNQ, which is a lower risk profile. Of course, that means you're going to make less money. But on that one, I was like, yeah, I'll play it a little bit less risky. But I never changed over. So up here, it's actually NQ. Whereas if I was on the one I wanted it to be, now you notice it's MNQ. Yikes. Well, it worked out in my favor. So now up 160 on that one. Other account, I was up 200 something. So up 360 now. So I'll take it. But now I would definitely want to be on the MNQs. And I will try down around that area if this pullback wants to continue here. Wow. All right. Well, that was a wild one. I will pause. Well, that was quite the move there. Came down the power of charts. Now, granted, I didn't take it. So, but if you're kind of on the fence, I don't know, should I really learn about charts? Are charts actually worth it? I mean, I think these are some pretty good arguments right here. Look at that purple line. Respected it. Respected it. Respected it. No, that's not always going to be the case. That's why risk management is first and foremost. But to think charts are not worth it because, it's all just self-fulfilling prophecies. You just made a great argument for charts because you just admitted that there is such a thing as self-fulfilling prophecies. So if there is such a thing as self-fulfilling prophecies, wouldn't it be wise to want to know what those self-fulfilling prophecies are, where those self-fulfilling prophecies will take place? In my mind, yeah, I want to know those sorts of things. That's one of the arguments that's always made me laugh. Well, they're just self-fulfilling prophecies. Okay, well, then tell me what those prophecies are so I can try to use them. But anyways, where are we at? Not even 10 minutes yet. All right, maybe I'll try to capture one more trade. But I mean, right now, we're 30 minutes in. I'm up, what, about $400? 380, I think, right around there. Not too bad for 30 minutes. Again, I don't say any of that to brag. I do say it, though, to build context, as I talked about earlier. All right, I'll pause. All right, going to try just a small one here. Oh, you dirty dog. I got to cancel it. I tried it. It did bounce. That's what I was looking for. Just a little bit of a scalp there. All right, I'm going to move down there at this point now. Shouldn't I be out? Why am I not out? Look at that. It went above my exit. What was that? Everybody saw that was right there. The price clearly went above that red line. Look at something's delayed here. Wait, what? What in the world is... Yeah, there's some order delay stuff going on here. That was... I should submit that to... I got in and the price was clearly up above where I want... Where... That was goofy. Well, I mean, I'm still fine on the day. Did take a loss on that one, but yeah, that was messed up. I guess I don't... I'll have to go back and rewatch. This is live right now, so this is not a voiceover, so I honestly don't know what happened. So to be fair to the situation, maybe my eyes deceive me. Let me know in the comment section, because if you're watching this, you'll be able to scroll back. But as of right now, that literally just happened, so... I could have sworn I got out of that first one. In there for sure. Okay, that was fine. Now, that was just a little small one, so... Never was planning on getting anything. I will try again, though, if this wants to keep coming up. But if I'm honest with myself, I'm feeling a little on tilt right now. That was frustrating, because I'm like at like 95% sure that totally I got in, and then it was like back above. Now, granted, it all happened very quick because that was a big snappy move, but like if it's a fair and square loss, okay. I mean, that's still not enjoyable, but okay, it is what it is. But like something like that where it's just like, wait a second, that wasn't right, and I took a loss, even though it was very minimal. I don't know, it's almost one of those things where I'd rather take a fair and square loss on the bigger side than one where you feel like, wait a second, even if it's a smaller loss. Maybe I'm alone in that, but that's kind of what I'm feeling. And as I vent to you, I think I'm making it pretty apparent that overall, so up, let's see. Yeah, about 210 in this one, 160 in the other one. So still just a fine day, just a little irritating because of that. Before I go, though, I do want to personally invite you to get signed up for this free live online class that I'm offering. So if you're looking to learn more about how I build consistency, manage risk, and then approach the markets with the proper framework in mind, then this class will offer a lot of value to you. I've been in the coaching business trading for a long time, and I've worked with a lot of traders, and a lot of people show up and they have the right intentions, they have the right motivations, but they don't quite understand the full picture. They have a couple of flaws in their approach. How tools should be used, how they should not be used, and all those things matter. Unfortunately, trading is hard, and, well, close enough. Okay, yeah, I know almost enough. Those things aren't good enough. You need to know everything. You need to have the right framework. You need to have the right approach, and that is what this class will make sure that you're geared to do. So is it a holy grail? No, please don't show up thinking that you're going to learn some sort of holy grail, but is it something that will make sure that you have the right guardrails in place, that you're approaching everything and using tools how they're intended and should be used? Yes, that will all be accomplished. So like I said, check out the link down below in the description box, or you can just go to claytrader.com/live to figure out when the next live class is. And then again, if you're interested in which prop firm I'm using and want to use it, make sure you use claytrader.com/take profit up there. That link will give you best deals. They're always running promotions, they being the prop firms. And in order to, whether you're watching this video an hour after I upload it or, a year after I upload it, and to ensure you get the best deal possible, make sure you use that link. And plus, it's just a easy way to support the channel. So thanks for watching. If you appreciate these live trade videos, hit that like button. And if you want to just support the channel in a super free and easy way, please truly consider hitting that subscribe button. It really does help out. So thanks for watching. Take care.